Good morning. Well, it's afternoon. It's the afternoon, so time check is 1:38. I don't know if you can see it. Can I reflection? So it's December the 25th, Christmas Day. So nako sa car karon kay ipagawas ang sakyanan. Kay mauna sila Tita Janet sa mall. And moapas na meron in a bit. So nag-prepare pang uban manggod shoot. We're still waiting on Yari and the others. Kakay, Kokoy, Taalma. So agenda today is mag-mall lang. And I think mag-pictorial pictorial namo for Christmas pictures. And tara mo siguro City Johnson.
Sa may ground floor lang. Sige, dito kami second floor. Baba na kami dyan. Okay.
Shopping time.
Ay, white pa rin.
Ready? 5:34. So, ready na mi para sa amo ang Christmas pictorial. Schedule is 7:30, babe, no? Sa ganito? Si pangalan nila?
Good morning, lads.
Ay, sa Good Morning Lads lang ta?
Bakit?
Abi ko dito ta sa ta na pa pictorial before.
Wala, oy. Grabe ka pila yan.
Ayan. So, sa Good Morning Lads lang mi. Okay. Yan si Momo nangosyoso naggamit. Uy! Shh! Hey! Momo! Ay, gusto gid siya masipaan ba? So anyway, ready, change outfit na. Right. Got Sola. Sola. Right, guys. Okay, so ganina Davidoff cold water incense. I'll change Santa to Shiyaka Snow. Good Lodge.
Hands up, Gabriela!
Hands up, Gabriela! Here at Good morning, lads.
Ano yan? Narupog lang din.
check. We are. It's now what? It's now 9:36. 9 ba? Yeah, it's 9. 9:36. And we are here. Bobo. We are here at KFC. The KFC, guys. Alangan, kay kaning bobo, nagpark diha. Nya, harang kayo hasol. KFC.
Gusto ko yung may ano, mashed potato.
Mag-add na tayo nung ano kay. Masarap ito si...
So, maraming Victoria. Ano yung sa KFC, guys.
Kaya na tayo dyan.
And the Christmas Day. Christmas Day.
Itong meal.
Gamit na lang.
So, hi guys.
Kaya ako muna si PJ.
So, it's currently 9:41. So, I think this is how we will end our Christmas. Dahil lang sa KFC mag-get last meal. And then we'll go home. And siguro magpa-Hawaii namin dito. Pero, hoping everyone has a really great Christmas, a really blessed Christmas. I hope na naka-celebrate. And for those na nag-duty karon, ay nag-duty itong Pasko sa gabi sa sugat, it will pay off, I promise. At tanan kasi I'm blessed as we are, as we get to do this, get to have the life that we have. Right? Merry Christmas everyone. Peace.